Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install Power BI on Windows 11 and how we can import CSV or Excel and generate reports. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Scroll down, you'll see these options. Activate your free trial, use Power BI on desktop. Click on this, use Power BI on desktop, and you'll get this download now option. Click on it, and it will ask you to open Microsoft Store. Just click on open, and your Microsoft Store will open. Let me maximize this and you'll see Power BI desktop on Microsoft Store. So now you just need to click on this get button here. Now, if this page here is changed, what you can do is just open Microsoft Store yourself and search for Power BI here. Okay, and you'll see Power BI desktop. We need this desktop version, not the report builder. So just click on the Microsoft BI desktop and click on get, and the installation has started, as you can see. So it will take a couple of minutes. Let's wait till this is complete. So after a couple of minutes, Power BI desktop will be downloaded and you can just click on open to open this. Power BI desktop is now opening up. Let's see how we can import a CSV and generate reports. So this is what your Power BI desktop looks like. Now you can just click on blank report. And here, as you can see, you get the option to choose data from Excel and so on. Okay, so they have apparently introduced a dark mode. Yeah, I think that would be nice. You can just close this. Now you can import data from Excel, from SQL Server, and so on. So what we can do is click on import data from Excel and go to wherever you have your data. Here, it is just showing Excel files. So what you can do is just click on all files if your data is in CSV format. Double click on this and now it will open CSV2. So now it is importing our report. So as you can see, we have a lot of rows here. We probably have, we have 100,000 reports here. So you can just click on load and it is now loading all your records. So you can import CSV data just by clicking on import data from Excel too, as we have already seen. And yeah, our data is now loaded. Now you can add fields, add filters, and create visualization, but that is a tutorial for another video. So this is how you can install Power BI and import CSV or Excel files. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.